One was up. Flash.
Hello? They were trying to trade.
Mid two. One more mid. Deco's mid.
Wait, Mr. Bradley, why is the alarm going off again?
They're just testing because they've been working on it the last 2 days. So now they want to see if all the alarms are working.
One of them wasn't?
No, they are working. They have to be inspected every year. It's certified.
I know one that's not working. It's down outside of the shed. They have a fire alarm there, but every single time we've had a fire drill, I go past it, and it's not going off.
Oh, no.
No flash, no sound, no anything.
There's a.
Yeah, so Saturday's my son's birthday dinner. So